Today we are going to practice letter D. D. Letter D looks like English letter S. So, D. D. Just you need one line and D. D. First letter is dalda, 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 daka, dibba, DK. So one important thing, whenever you have English word that has D, like doctor, Don, then it transcribe as D. Okay. So like the first one is doctor. Doctor. And this is like half moon is like aw sound, aw sound. Only for English aw sound, like doctor, locker, those kind of things. And then next one is dawn, dawn, and then Danny, daddy. So you can see these are all English D. Doctor, Dawn, Danny, daddy, more. So like you write Deborah, its name, Deborah. So Deborah is Deborah, Deborah. Daniel. It's not Daniel, it's Daniel. So D, Daniel. Dental. Death. Deborah, Daniel, dental, death. Deborah, Daniel, dental, death. Deal. This is written drop. So whenever you have half ra with all retroflex, the half ra looks like this, like carrot shape. Drop, drop, drama, drama, dress, so these are all English words like domino, domino pizza, domino, doll, dash, document,